Dear customer, I would like to introduce our company, Bing TV channel services, that has been in business for the past 10 years. Today, in the age of technology, you can see several ways by which TV material can be furnished these days. One of the best from them is to introduce to make a huge influence, that is Bing TV. IPTV.we have been an established and popular company with an excellent track record for the best customer satisfaction. We have never compromised on the quality and the services provided to the customer. We believe in keeping the customers happy and providing them with products and services at a very competent price. We have an excellent staffs who will guide you with their best ideas by keeping in constant touch with you. We provide TV services straight to your set-top box through the internet. We give customers direct exclusive access to our 2500 plus standard and HD channels, ranging from sports, movies and popular TV shows. Stream your favorite channels straight from your home. We offer all range of premium channels. Wireless connectivity to provide the users with hassle-free and simple operations. Multiple language support. 30 days money-back guarantee, 1-year technical warranty. HD and live channels. Minimum 15 megabits per second required. Price locks, 3 years. On-demand channels, on-demand movies, promotional price and subscription confirmation. Bing Box $160 monthly, $25 shipping, $20 total, $205 plus tax. In order to get this promotion, use password William Payne. Please feel free to keep in touch with us about any of the business related queries. We would like to offer our service to you. Our supervisor will contact you for further discussion at a time convenient to you. We look forward to a wonderful relationship together and success for all concerned. Regards, Sam Sale, Executive Manager. Call back win to 900 3200 win to 6966. WhatsApp win to 900 3200 win to 6966. Website www.bingtv.us. Mail sales at bingtv.us.